It's around 8:20 or so, and the sunlight is not that good today. You can see 26 Jan 2026. I'm at this location in Umberli where there's a this banyan tree, large banyan tree. There's another one that side, but so far no fruits are there. But for this, you can see lot of fruits are there, and I can see at least 20-30 coppersmith barbets on this tree. And then there is a vented bulbul also, and rosy starlings, and I don't know what else will come. I'm just observing this place, and I'm trying to record whatever video footage I can take or photographs, but since it is high up, it's becoming difficult for me to photograph. But I'm waiting for so the birds can come here and have that. Quite a good activity here.